Happy Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. We had a very good message today. Oh my goodness. 2 Corinthians 1 and 4. And it was talking about, the sermon is, I am coming out a winner. Satan never allow you to walk in the will of God unchallenged. Woo! So within my struggle, I see transformation. My testimony gets stronger. I need to tell somebody. And I find triumph because God is right there with me. Woo! It was so good, y'all. It was so good. So I'm going to put a link to my pastor's message. My pastor is real and raw. He said last Sunday he had us all laughing. He said, because God's still working on me. He said, because I got some things I'm working on. He said, because if somebody come up to me and hit me, we going to fight. He said, y'all going to hear about your pastor, but I already told y'all, God working on me. It was funny. Anyway, so let me show y'all what I got. Y'all, I had a leak under my kitchen sink. And so I had to get, I got to come fix it. And man, when I tell y'all, I have so many cleaning supplies, I probably could give Walmart some. So I don't have to buy anything like that. So what I got is like replenishing things that my son have here at the house. Some things I may use eventually or whatever. But so what I got here, we get wheat bread. So I got the Nature's Own. I get this from Sam's. One of these may cost you $3 or something at Walmart, but two is $5. It used to be $4 something. My son loves that Lipton peach tea, so he got some of that. I don't drink it because it has sugar. It has 25 grams. So we don't drink Coke a lot, but I do still buy them. We got the Coke Zero. He's got the crushed peach. I got another crushed Coke Zero, and he got the A&W root beer 0 sugar. Got milk. I've been doing a lot of research, and they said whole milk is actually better for you. It's better than the I don't know if they said almond, honestly. I think they said oat milk is better, but they said that the 2% fat milk does not have some of the things your body actually needs. So I don't drink milk very often. My son uses this in his Cheerios when he makes his oatmeal, and I use it when I bake cornbread. So I never really drink milk, but I think I probably need to start because of calcium and vitamin D. I got this OxyClean on sale at Sam's. I like to get their instant savings. He got the Honey Nut Cheerios. I got this big thing of the extra gum. I got Bounce. I'm on my last 2, so I went ahead and got this while it's in the instant savings. I got this come from another store. I got the Oscar Mayer bologna and the chopped ham. My son eats that for lunch, and I may have it a few days too. I got me some fresh lemons because I love to squeeze lemon in my teas. And I'm going to start doing making some of my own brewed tea, the green tea. Yeah. And then I also read where the green tea, the sweetened green tea is good for you. It helps to regulate your blood sugar. I was like, wow. So I got sparkling ice lemonade. I got 2 of those to go in my office at work. I needed some more toners, and y'all know I have to have toners to cook with. I got me some more pecans. Love to keep these. They're all really good and fresh, and I hope those are. I got me some Jet Dry Rinse Aid for my dishwasher. My son got these. He'll probably have these the rest of the year. He's very disciplined, y'all. I got some brown gravy mix. Y'all know what? I had one of these in the cabinet when I went through, and the stuff had expired. I had it up there for a whole, I don't know how long this lasts. Let's see what it says. 25? Nah, that one I had wasn't for 2 years. I got some carnation milk because one was almost $2. I said, well, let me just go ahead and pay 11 for 8. So that's what I got. I got my apples for the week along with my peanuts. Y'all, another fun fact. I just be reading on healthy things. Apples, although apples, they say the apple a day keep the doctor away. But then I read where they say apples cause your body to have inflammation in your abdomen. I said, well, that's why I can't lose that stomach when I eat apples. It ain't the apples, other stuff I eat. Peanuts, and then I got a big thing of paper towels. Got to have those. I'm down to like 6 or 7, so I remember one time I couldn't find them. Y'all, I got some Amazon paper towels. I really like them. They had 12 of them. They were $15, I think, on some type of sale. And I got them and tried them. I really like them. But the everyday price, I think 12 of them is like 20 something. I was like, nah, I ain't getting that. But they last long and they held up good in my restrooms. But this is all I have. I think I spent $200 at Sam's because some of the stuff I ordered is going to be sent to my home. We needed new toothbrush heads. They usually be $34 on sale. They were $49, actually $50. And this is it. This is it. Y'all be safe out there. Stay hydrated. Make someone smile. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Just come in from church and I stopped because Kroger had some of these things on sale, so I wanted to get them while they were on sale. This blueberry ice cream was $5.49, I think. Yeah. These Outshine bars, y'all know it's 6 of them. They were $1.99. So I got the pineapple, the strawberry, and the raspberry. So I got the 3 of those. I meant to get the regular cream cheese, but I got the less fat, so I'm going to have to send these back. They were $1.99, and I paid as much as almost $3. Well, I paid $3.29 for one for something we had fixed. So I'm taking this back. I don't want the third less fat. It's healthier, but I don't like the way it tastes in the food. Now, if I would be doing mac and cheese or whatever with it, but I think I'm going to use these for cakes. Okay, so I got the cheddar jack. This Kroger cheese was $1.77, so I got the cheddar jack. I got the smoked provolone. That's what you make your Philly cheesesteaks with. I got the Swiss. That's what you make your honey mustard chicken sandwiches with. I got the Kobe Jack. That's for your loaded mashed potatoes or whatever. So you could get 5. I got 4. I thought I gotten 5. But, you know, they were $1.77. I got the Ballpark Franks. They were 2 for $4. I usually get the beef, but these taste pretty good, so I didn't get the beef. The beef for like $4. I always get the Country Time lemonade. Y'all know we put this in our water, or I put it in my tea because I get the unsweet tea. I got the yellow and the orange peppers. I keep green in the refrigerator, and I have some red cut up in the freezer. But for those dishes, in my previous video, I haven't made a video, but I'll show you where I got these packets to make different Asian recipes. And so it cost, they wanted to use different peppers. And just because I hadn't used it before, I'm going to make it per, you know, the instructions. And then the next time I change up the way I want. But anyway, they had the butter $1.99. So I got 3 unsalted, 2 salted. At that price, because butter is very expensive. So when I find it on sale, I'll go ahead and get it. I just want to show y'all, not very much. Hey, again, welcome all my new subscribers. It's all over here. I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye.